how to use AfterPay. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and see this is the official website of AfterPay. Basically, AfterPay is a buy now, pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay them in installments. Right? Here's how you use AfterPay step by step. So first of all, you can just go ahead and sign up with your account. Visit the AfterPay website or download the AfterPay app on your App Store or Google Play. Sign up and provide necessary info like email, phone number, and create password, and then link payment method and add a debit or credit card to your AfterPay account for payments, and shop at participating retailers. AfterPay is accepted at many online and some physical stores. Look for AfterPay options at checkout. You can browse eligible stores on AfterPay website or app, and then select AfterPay at checkout. Basically, when you find something that you want to purchase, add it to your cart. At checkout, select AfterPay as your payment method, and then choose your payment plan. AfterPay typically splits your purchase total into 4 equal payments. The first payment is made at checkout, and the remaining 3 are automatically deducted from your linked card every 2 weeks. Review the payment schedule and make sure you understand when payments will be deducted. Complete your purchases. Confirm your order, and AfterPay will process that transaction. You will receive a confirmation of your order, and AfterPay will provide a payment schedule. And then you can manage your AfterPay account through the website or app. Check your payment due dates, remaining balance, and complete transactions, and then just make your payment. All right, ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked account for the automatic payments. If you foresee any issues with making a payment, check AfterPay's policies on late fees and payment reschedules. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.